Hello everyone. Today we will let you know how to fill Portugal visa. First of all, type VFS Portugal on Google and click on https://pt bfsglobal.co.in. Now you can see in the left side of your screen there is option visa type. Select according to your requirement. Then select your purpose to visit in Portugal. Then scroll down and right side of the screen, click on the online form. You can download visa form here. After downloading it, open this form with Adobe Acrobat or what form editor software you have. So here is your form. Let's start to fill the form. First of all, enter your family name or surname, then enter your surname, at birth if any, otherwise leave it blank. After that, write your first name according to your passport. And then enter your date of birth, place of birth, and country of birth where you born. Then fill your current nationality and nationality at birth. After that, enter your gender, and then fill your marital status. In case of minor, in this column fill your parents and guardian details. Otherwise write NA or leave it. After that, fill national identify number. If you have, otherwise leave it. Now select your type of travel documents and write your travel passport number. Now fill the date of issue of your passport and the expiry date of the passport. Then fill passport issued by RPO. Then enter your home address and telephone number. Now if you're a resident in a country other than your country's origin, if you have, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. Then write your current occupation. If you are employer or employee, fill your company address and telephone number. And if you are a student, then write your name and telephone number of the education establishment. Now select your purpose to visit in Portugal. Then, on member state of destination, fill Portugal. On member state of first country, here again, fill Portugal. And now select the number of entries you want. After that, enter your indented stay or transit, means how many days you want to stay in Portugal. Then if you have Schengen visa or you visit the Schengen country in the last 3 years, then say yes, otherwise write no. On fingerprints collected previously, if you applied for Portugal visa, if yes, write yes, and otherwise write no. Then select your arrival date of Portugal and intended date of Portugal, means from when to when you stay in Portugal. After that, fill the surname of your inviting person in Portugal. And in member state, if somebody has invited you, then write on his or her details if any. Otherwise, write your hotel name and telephone number and email address. That, fill the name of your inviting company name and telephone in Portugal if any. Now select means of support according to you. Then come to place from where you apply your visa and date of filing the visa. Now your visa application form is ready. Now you can submit it.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection? Don't worry, we're here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.